I'm Lindsay Kent from Crazy Beautiful Weddings, and today I'm going to show you how to get the look for a traditional, classic, beautiful wedding. Mirrors are a staple in wedding decor, and I'm going to show you a few ways to use them in yours. Mirrors are a great way to double your ambient lighting at your wedding. If you've got 3 candles, you'll have 6 simply by putting them on a mirror. Another fun way to use mirrors would be to do personalized chargers at each place setting. The best tool for writing on mirror is an oil-based paint marker. For Lena and Matt's beautiful traditional wedding, we used mirrors everywhere. One of the biggest places that we used mirrors was for the seating chart. And that's a really simple thing that you could make as well. If you're thinking of having a traditional and classically beautiful wedding, try adding some mirrors into your decor. For more wedding inspiration, go to bemakeful.com.